Hey guys, Julie here from Julie Designs. Today I wanted to share with you a video about how to upload to Society6 quicker. So recently I've been looking into some different automation software and I came across this one that really helps to upload to Society6 way quicker than before. Now it's not like 100% perfect. I know a lot of people struggle with Society6 because the uploading process is so cumbersome, and so this software that I found, I would say that it cuts down on the upload time by like half, maybe even 3/4. You'll still have to go in and fiddle with them a little bit and add like some different image sizes, or like a PNG file for the stickers or the t-shirts, but we're just going to go through the process and you can decide for yourself if it's something that would help you. So the software that I'm going to be using is called Flying Upload. So you can go to flyingupload.com/store and you can see there is a free version here. So yeah, it says you have 30 uploads per month. So if you want to go ahead and pause this video, you can download the software and then you could follow along with me while I show you how to upload to Society6. So I already have the software downloaded and ready to go on my computer here. So the first step is to add your images into the software. So you're going to go into Edit, and I've actually already uploaded one design here. So I've got this cloud photograph basically. So I've got my title, my descriptions, and my tags, which are Society6 specific. So on Society6 you can only have, well, they suggest that you only use single word tags, or if you use multiple words, to put dashes in between. So I've just done all single word tags here. And one cool feature of this Flying Upload is that it can give you keyword suggestions. So you can go in here and type in clouds, for example, and it's going to give all these keyword suggestions, and it's also got long tail keywords. Obviously these are not ones that you would use for Society6 unless you put the dash in between, like I said, but for this purpose I was just using some of these single keywords. So if you're kind of stuck on keywords, this is a really helpful feature of this software. So before you go to the upload, you have to click off all of these. So normally they're not clicked off, so you're going to click off all of those. And the background color doesn't really matter too much for Society6, but I just clicked them off anyway. And then hit save. And then you're going to hit back and go to upload. So I'm going to click on the design here, and you have to click on this user agreement. Oh, and then actually first you got to go into the settings and auto login, and then you pick the platform here. So I've got Society6, and then I put in my user email and password. So I'm not going to show that right now, but I've already set that up. So now you just basically hit start, and it should go through the process. So I'll probably speed up with this because it's a little bit boring, but you can kind of see how it's going to work here. And then we're going to go back in. I'm going to go on to Society6 and go back into the product and show you what it looks like once it's been uploaded. So yeah, as you can see, it's just doing everything for me, which is amazing. I can like go and do stuff on my phone or work on something else while this is doing its thing. Watch some more Julie Designs YouTube videos. So you can see here it's actually like enabling all the products, and usually you have to go in and like enable each individual product yourself. and then it's skipping the ones that, you know, it doesn't work for. Like if the image isn't big enough, it's not gonna enable that product. And it should also put in all the tags and description. One thing is the category, I think it just selects the first category that comes up, so you might have to go in and change that. So I would change it to photography for this particular design. So yeah, normally I would just be doing something else while this is doing its thing, and normally also I would be uploading multiples, so I would go in and set up, you know, 5 images at once to just go ahead and upload to Society6. And I'm also uploading to Redbubble through this tool. You can see there's also all these other ones. I haven't used the Amazon merch one yet. I've pretty much just done Redbubble, TeePublic, and Society6. I have not tried Zazzle yet. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. So it's just finishing up. So it's done. And we're just gonna go into manage my posts. So here you can see the design has been uploaded. And if we go in, you can see that all the products that the artwork fits on have been enabled. However, I'm gonna uncheck wallpaper because it looks stupid and it's not a repeat pattern. So that one I'm gonna disable. The rest of these, it's not loading, but I'm just gonna assume that it looks fine. The coaster might have to go and, looks kind of cool like that actually. Normally I would go in and just select that the design would show up on each coaster, like as one, like each coaster is the same photograph, but sometimes it's kind of neat to have different ones. The sticker, so I'm going to disable the sticker because it's just going to be a square, and for some of my designs I would go in and create like a PNG file or make like a circular shape or something like that just for the sticker, but for this kind of thing I'm just going to disable it. You can see like these cases look pretty nice. I don't know why it's not enabling the watch band, maybe because it's really new and they just haven't added it yet, but I'm just going to go ahead and enable it. Pretty sure it'll look fine. Yeah, everything looks good. So the t-shirts you can see are turned off, which is perfect for this design. The floor cushion, normally it looks a bit weird, so I'm just gonna disable that. And then, yeah, I guess my artwork wasn't big enough for these, so I might go back in later and upload like a yoga mat specific one if the image is large enough. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Like, this design is done, it's already published. So like, that made uploading to Society6 way faster in my opinion. So I actually have a promo code for this flying upload software if you want to just have the unlimited version. So I will leave all that information in the description box below. And yeah, hopefully this will help you guys uploading to Society6 and make it way less of a headache. And yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to check out my other videos. I have Society6 specific videos, but also other print-on-demand shops like Redbubble and Zazzle. And yeah, so we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.